Whoa, boy, that was fun, wasn't it? Flipping those coins. Man. So what do you think? You think a coin is truly 50-50? Well, I'm going to blow your mind. All right, there's a quick little article here. Oh, hold on. I'm back. All right, about a coin is not really 50-50. Now, as you can read this, and you feel free to pause it and read this, okay, that it is not the coin that actually gives us randomness. It is actually the human that gives us randomness. And if you actually flip a coin with the same power and hit it at the same place, it will actually flip it the same every single time. So they've actually created a machine, a robot that you put a coin in, and it flips it the same way every single time, and it lands the same way every time. Woo! Right? Anyways, so whatever. Okay. When it comes down to it, coins are slightly weighted one on one side than the other. And so they're not exactly 50-50, but they're pretty stinking close, okay? Anyways, pause if you want to read that article. Okay. All right. So we're talking about probability in this chapter. All right. And first of all, we've got what we call the law of large numbers. And this is textbook flipping a coin. If we flip a coin once, you're not going to get 50-50. Even if you flip a coin twice, you might not get 50-50. If you flip a coin 10 times, should you get 50%? No. But the more and more you do it, okay, if you flip it more like 100 times, you're going to be approaching that 50% mark the more and more. After you do it about 1,000,000 times, you're going to be almost at 50%. And here's just basically, after 4 flips, you could be down here with probability, right? But as you flip it more, it's going to start circling around. See, after 13 flips, you're above 50%. After you flip it a long time, notice how it kind of starts only really getting close to that 50% mark. It's kind of cool. All right. So it's kind of an interesting phenomenon. All right. This week we are going to be talking about simulation. Phone number again. All right. I don't even know where I'm at. But anyways, we're going to be getting into simulation here this week. And so, for instance, a kiss. How do we test out what's the probability of flipping a kiss? Well, the only way to actually test out what this is going to be like is actually flipping kisses. All right. So your sub should be coming around, passing out a couple kisses for you to flip. Okay. Now I know, some of you guys are going to be really bummed out. Jace, I know you probably were thinking you were actually going to be doing real kissing here today, but we're just going to be flipping some kisses. And we're going to just test out to see what is the real probability of a kiss landing on its base. Okay? Anyways, record your data. Guess first of all what it would be. I think the next, yeah. Guess what do you think it would be? Flip your kisses. Write your data down on the board. Okay, and then kind of see what's the overall pattern. Where do you think probably flipping a kiss is? Some of us are going to hit high, some of us are going to hit low, some of us are going to hit right in the middle, right? Probably that middle after we flipped it as many times as I've said to will probably be about the probability of a kiss. Okay, all right, so pause the video, flip your kisses, fill out your paper, plot your data, and then come back and hit play again on this video. Did you do it yet? Okay. All right, now that you're back from your kiss activity, whew, that was super fun again. We're just having fun. All right, we got one more slide to talk about, and then you're done for the day. Okay? And you should be looking through your tests, seeing how you did. Okay? Myths about randomness. All right, so we have 2 myths that people always are doing, especially the bottom one. Okay? But let's talk about the first one. Myth of short run regularity. This is the myth of, say, a basketball shooter going up and shooting baskets. No, let's say, oh, this person's free throw percentage is 80%. That means if he shoots it 10 times, he should get 8 out of 10, right? Okay, so if he's got an 80% free throw average, and that's the worst 8 I've ever seen in my life, maybe. My son's pretty bad at writing 8s too. That was the ballpark. Okay. Anyways, would you be shocked if he? Oh no, he missed. He missed 4 of the 10 free throws. Okay, well, remember, over short run, probability can go everywhere, right? If he free throw shoots like 1,000, he should get around 800. But if he's doing 10, he could like miss all 10, right? And then come back and just like nail the next 100 in a row. Okay, so short run regularity, that's a myth. All right, it's very possible to get you know results that are way different if you only do it a couple times. For instance, flipping a coin. Oh no, I got 3 heads out of 3 spins. Wow, what are the chances? Not too bad. But then the last one is a myth of the law of averages. Okay. I once had a friend. Okay. He had like 6 boys. I don't know, maybe it was 5 at this point in time. But now I just ruined the whole story. But they had like 5 or 6 boys. And they said, oh man, we really want to have a girl. We really want to have a girl. Right? And probability, obviously, is 50-50, boys or girls, approximately. Okay, give or take. So after 5, their chances of a girl on that 6th one was gonna be high. No, guys. Read my lips. Oh, my mouse is wigging out. Read my lips. The probability is 50-50 every time. So even though my friend has 5 kids, guess what they had on their 6th time? Boom! Another boy! They're beautiful boys. Okay? That's why my wife and I don't know, we might just end up having 2 because my wife really wants a girl, but guess what the probability of having a girl is next time? Well, we had 2 boys first. Well, it's still probably 50-50. Okay? So, law of averages. The past does not matter. It's all about what is the probability right now. Okay? All right. So, a couple things. Like I said, quick, easy lesson today. You should look through your test, see where your mistakes are. I'm coming back early. Okay? I'm canceling my plans. I'm coming back on Tuesday. So I will see you Tuesday morning. And we can do test retakes starting Tuesday. You don't have to wait a whole week. Wow, what do you think of that? Have a good one night, guys. Goodbye.